Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English Bytes. Today our topic is about the use of the words there, and there. These are three words that have the same sound in pronunciation but have different spelling and meaning. Ituturo ko sa inyo dito ang tamang gamit ng mga salitang ito. And before we end this video, I will give you a short quiz to check your understanding. Now, the first use of there is as an adverb. Ito ay ginagamitan natin ng adverb of place. It points to a place. Ito ay nagtuturo ng lugar. Sa English, itong there ay diyan, doon, nandyan, o nandun. The first use of there in this lesson is there is used as an adverb. Adverb are divided into three main groups. We have adverb of manner, adverb of time, and adverb of place. Now this time, we are going to deal only with adverb of place. Pag sinabi nating adverb of place, it points to a place. O ito ay nagtuturo ng lugar. Itong word na there, pag ito ay tinranslate natin sa Tagalog, ito ay katumbas ng diyan, doon, nandyan, o nandoon. Another example here, I do not want to go there. Itong word na there dito ay ito ang ating adverb of time. In Filipino, ayaw kong pumunta doon. Itong doon, ito ang katumbas ng ating word na there. Next, he should be there. Ito sa Filipino ay siya ay dapat nandoon. Itong there dito, ito ang katumbas ng word na nandoon. There seems to be an error in your statement. In Filipino, parang may mali sa iyong salaysay. Dito, sa unang sentence natin, itong there, ang katumbas sa Filipino ay may. Parang may mali sa iyong salaysay. Next, there is supposed to be storm tomorrow. Ang katumbas nito sa Filipino ay may bagyo dapat bukas. Ang there dito ay katumbas ng may sa Filipino. Next, I know there is truth to what you are saying. Alam kong may katotohanan sa sinasabi mo. Dito naman, ang there ay katumbas rin ng may sa Filipino. Next, is there another way in going to town aside from this? Mayroon pa bang ibang daan papuntang bayan maliban dito? Alright, dito, itong there ay katumbas naman ng word na mayroon sa Filipino. And then next naman, is there a hotel in the town? Sa Tagalog, may hotel ba sa bayan? Ang there dito ay katumbas naman ng word na may sa Filipino. Next, what is over there? Sa Filipino, ano ang meron doon? Mapapansin natin dito na itong there ay ang katumbas niya sa Filipino ay doon. There is also used when the following noun after the verb is plural. Ang sabi, ang there daw ay ginagamit kapag ang kasunod na noun pagkatapos ng verb ay plural. For example, there are books. May dalawang aklat. Itong books natin ay plural, kaya ang ginamit dito ay there. Next, there are children in the hospital. May mga bata sa hospital. Ang there natin dito ay katumbas ng may sa Tagalog. We have here another rule. There is also used in expressions that tell about location in abstract manner. For example, there it is. In Filipino, o yan, andyan na. Put it there. Ilagay mo dyan. Stay there. Dyan ka lang. We'll be there soon. Darating rin tayo dyan. There you go. Ayan, andyan na. There is where we disagree. Diyan naman tayo magkakatalo. There is also used when making a statement. Ito ay ginagamit kapag gumagawa ng salaysay. Ito ay may o may mga. Example, there are athletes coming today. Sa Tagalog, may mga bisitang darating ngayong araw. Another example, there are children playing in the park. May mga batang naglalaro sa park. There is also used to introduce a subject. Example, there is a policeman waiting for you. Here in this sentence, our subject is policeman. This policeman is introduced by this word there is. To check if this is really correct, we need to rewrite the sentence in normal order like this. A policeman is waiting for you there. Ito na ngayon ang ating subject, ang policeman. Kaya tama lang dito na itong there ang nag-i-introduce dito sa policeman na subject. Sa Tagalog, may pulis na naghihintay sa iyo. Number 2, there shows ownership or relationship. Ito raw ay nagpapakita ng pagmamay-ari o relasyon. And here is the table that shows the difference between pronoun and possessive. I, for pronoun, ang possessive nito ay my. You, possessive is your. We, possessive is our. He, his, she, her. It, its, and they is there. Now, itong there sa Tagalog ay kanilang. Another example here, they made their assignment last night. Dito, itong sentence na ito, this shows ownership o pagmamayari. Ang inong assignment, there. So, itong there ay nagpapakita ng ownership. Sa Tagalog, sila ay gumawa ng kanilang aralin ng nakaraang gabi. Dito, ang kanilang ay sinusundan ng pangalan na aralin. Just like in English, there is followed by the noun assignment to show ownership. Children should be respectful to their parents. And this sentence shows relationship. Relationship ng children sa kanilang parents. Sa Tagalog, ang mga bata ay dapat maging magalang sa kanilang magulang. Now here, this word there, sa Tagalog ito ay naging kanilang. At sinusundan ito ng noun na magulang. To show relationship, dito, relationship ng bata sa magulang. The same dito sa English. Number 3, there is a contraction of the words they are. Ibig sabihin, ito ay dalawang word, they are, ito ay pinaikli, magiging there. Meron tayong apostrophe. They, apostrophe are. Now, the word are here can be used as linking verb or helping verb. Example, they are students. Now here, itong word na are ay gumaganap bilang linking verb kasi siya ay dumudugtong dito sa they at sa predicate na students. Another example, itong they are magiging their students. Naikli na lang ito siya. Itong they are. One word na lang siya. Kaya lang meron siyang apostrophe rito. They, apostrophe, and RE. Next, they are honest. Dito naman, itong are ay nagpa-function bilang linking verb dito sa sentence na ito. Hindi siya ay nagli-link o nadudugtong sa subject na they at sa predicate na honest. At itong they are, pag pinag-isa na lang ito ay magiging there. They, apostrophe, RE. They're honest. Another example, they are preparing breakfast. Now, dito ang word na are ay nagpa-function bilang helping verb. Helping verb siya ng main verb na preparing. Okay. At itong they are, pag pinag-isa, magiging there na lang siya. They, apostrophe, RE. They're preparing breakfast. Now, as I have said, we are going to have a short quiz before we end this video. Number 1, Ben and Jerry said that they're coming for dinner. Number 2, I want to see their new uniform tomorrow. Number 3, they can't decide if they're coming or not. Number 4, they're more interested to know about you. Number 5, there is a visitor coming today. Alright, here are the answers now to the questions in this short quiz. I hope you enjoy this short quiz. Now, if you have learned something in this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell in order to be updated. At syempre, share na rin para mas maraming matuto. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.